Okay, so imagine creating an income from products that you already know and love, things that you don't have to create. Well, this is what we're going to get into today with affiliate marketing. Hey, my name is Wendy. If you've been following, this is number 2 in our series of how you can monetize on YouTube. Let's think about how you can also earn from affiliate marketing on your channel. So let me explain that a little further. I have a friend. She does leather works and she's amazing. She creates all these leather items, belts and book covers and keychains, you name it. She's fabulous at it. So many fancy designs. She sells on Etsy. Now, let's take this another step further. So affiliate marketing is when you can collaborate with other businesses, products, services, what have you, that then can promote, that you can then promote the products that you are using to other people because they want to learn how to do what you're doing. So if you're teaching somebody leatherworks and you're showing them how it's working, how you're doing it for yourself, well, they're going to say, well, where did you get that piece of equipment? So if you can go on Amazon, become an Amazon affiliate or an Amazon influencer, you can then refer a product and make a percentage commission. A lot of places do this with affiliate marketing these days because people are promoting their things. So they, instead of paying advertisers or paying in advertising, which you see coming across the screen, right? Advertisements, you then become the advertisement for them and they give you that percentage of commission by sharing your product. So start thinking about when you're setting up your channel, what are some affiliate commissions that you could make that you're already using that people ask you what you're doing. For example, I'll share a little bit with you this past weekend because I teach how to make money online. I teach you how to do video content and how to grow on different social media channels. I took a course and it was called Scroll Stopping Edits. I love editing fun videos and stuff like that. So for example, this course then I was able to use an affiliate link because people were asking me, Wendy, how are you making those edits? I'm like, I took this course from this young mom and she's amazing and here's the link. So this past weekend alone, I made over $3,000 just being an affiliate and I made 30%. She created the course, she's getting most of the money, but I make 30% because I'm sharing it with other people. So it's a win-win, right? I've learned how to make better videos to attract my ideal client to my business, and then also the video that I created is I'm using the affiliate course, so I'm earning from that too. So you see how it's a double-edged sword. So if you're doing, like I said, leatherworks, you could be selling the equipment. Where do you buy your leather? What kind of stamps do you use? All this stuff. So in addition, you're also sharing your Etsy link. So if you want to buy these directly, maybe people don't want to take the time to learn, but they love what you're showing them and they want to buy one for Christmas presents or for themselves, you share your Etsy link or wherever you have your storefront in the description and then people can go buy it. You see how that's working? You're making money from YouTube, from growing your channel, teaching people how to do leatherworks, or for me, teaching people how to monetize on social media. Then you share your links on where they can purchase those things, so you're making money from that. So that is what I want you to strategically think about when you're creating your YouTube channel. How you can not only create it, how to create your banner to attract your ideal customer, but I want you to think about how you can then tap into other income streams. So 1, create your niche. What are you passionate about? What can you talk about forever and ever and amen that you know something about, that you're kind of an expert? Like if there was somebody who was teaching about gardening, I would watch that video because I'm not a green thumb. I could kill fake plants. So learning about somebody who actually loves to garden and how do they do it? How do you trim back a bush? When's the best time to plant something? I don't know these things. So I would watch that YouTube channel to learn from that person because they're passionate about it. Then they could also be selling plant food. They could be selling like certain kind of shovels or things that they use for picking weeds or containers that they use. You name it. You understand where I'm going with this, right? How powerful affiliate marketing is with your YouTube channel. So when you're setting up your topic, think about these things and what you can do to then monetize multiple different ways. So you can create affiliate links with programs, systems, and products. So there's so multiple different ways. In the next video, we're going to unpack how to gather people's emails and how you can do it absolutely for free. Create that capture page so you can have a way to reach your audience, because let's face it, you don't own YouTube. YouTube does. But when people enter their email address, you always have that connection with them. If for some odd reason your YouTube gets shut down, or your TikTok or whatever, you still have your email list to be able to tell viewers, hey, you can't reach me over here now, go over here, right? That's the power of email marketing. So let's go here right now, learn how you can do it absolutely for free. See you in the next video.